Hello, we are at PDMS 2024. How are
Hello.
you feeling?
I'm ecstatic. I'm feeling ecstatic because I just won an award. It's the most scenic photo award during the PDMF. It was during the destination experience yesterday. I was a bit nervous and I feel fabulous at the same time.
Lovely. For our audience, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Estiffi Jahn Gryce L, Estrella. I am from the Philippines. I own Estiffi Events Management Services. We do any kinds of events, but like we are more on corporate events. We do social events. What else? We do trainings and seminars. And any kinds of events, actually, we can do it as long as we have like time for preparation. Yeah.
What are the most ambitious events that you have done by far
Oh,
in
I'm
tourism?
in tourism. Oh, the most ambitious one was last February 2023. There is this Silversea World Cruise who docked in the Philippines, specifically in Kalanggaman Island in Palompon, Leyte. So it was a really big event, international event with lots of foreigners, and it was Estiffi Events who organized it all. So I'm very proud of it. And thanks also to the Department of Tourism Region 8 for the recommendation.
Lovely. And what are your plans for 24, 25, and 26?
Yeah, my plans so far, I really wanted to focus more on like corporate events and of course like conferences because I really love dealing with professionals. So corporate events is really like my niche. Yeah.
Great. Thank you for talking to us. It was wonderful.
Thank you so much for interviewing for the opportunity.